Just tell me, how would you can go and make a checklist. You can pull this oven door open. You can raise this up. You can just see all this here, all this here, all this there. I mean,
Well, I think we focus. The hood area is probably the first priority because it's probably the worst. And then to your point, the other stainless and the floors.
Go on, go on, go on.
These guys I don't think are too bad, but
They're bad. I mean, if you
I
want to
think
make a
you
first
have one
impression,
over-
you,
right.
you want to make a good impression, okay?
right. We could probably turn this one off, honey. I mean, they have an odor to them. Oh, it is. Okay, good.
Let me ask you this. You can make the checklist. Whether you're renting it, selling it, or leasing it, you want to make it so whoever comes in here don't have no distractions. They want to dream.
Right.
They want what they can do, not what they have to do.
Right.
All right? Remember that, okay?
The mop sink also needs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can just say, guys, go nuts, okay? We know what to do. And I'm gonna be honest with you.